dinner, and dessert. Whew, Lord have mercy. Let's eat. Midnight maple, bourbon, and peach chicken. It's a set it and forget it situation. Sounds fancy, but it's not. To the ingredients. Get out your crock pot and you're going to add 4 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, or you could use thighs. Season with some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, just a pinch of cayenne. Unless you like heat, then you could add more. Dried thyme, smoked paprika, soy sauce, maple syrup, a half a cup of maple syrup, half a cup of your favorite bourbon, heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, 15-ounce can of sliced peaches, juice and all, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 stick of butter cut into pats, just like that. Cover with a lid, turn it on high for 4 hours or cook it on low for 6. Get it cooked. About 2 hours in, you're going to add a cornstarch slurry. That's 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water. Give it a mix, pour it in, and then give this a mix. It'll help that juice get thick. Cover it back up and continue cooking. When your chicken is fall off the bone tender, if it had bones, take 2 forks and shred it up. Serve it over rice. Now that's a dumpling. Peach dumplings, and I guarantee they're better than your grandma's. To the ingredients. Spray or grease a 9x13 baking dish, some fresh peaches, sliced open, remove their pits. And then cut each half into quarters, just like that. 2 cans of the Grand's Pillsbury Dough crescent rolls. Open them, unroll them, and then separate them. Place a peach quarter into your crescent rolls, smallest part first. Roll them up, and then pinch them closed. Yeah? Just like that. Place all your dumplings into your baking dish in a single layer and then sprinkle some cinnamon. It don't matter how much. That much. Just like that. 2 sticks of butter over medium heat. Let it melt. Add 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons or so of cinnamon. Stir this until the sugar is dissolved. Pour that sugary goodness all over your dumplings. And as if that wasn't enough, 16 ounces of Mountain Dew to your dumplings. Then you're going to bake this at 375 for 40 to 45 minutes. Everybody's going to be golden brown and bubbly. Put in the oven. Just like that, golden brown and bubbly. Serve it with a scoop of ice cream. Go on and make your plate, baby. So good.